Sasha, what are you doing?
There's baby birds up here, Eren.
What?
Yeah.
I want to see.
Hey, Eren. Can we eat them?
No, you cannot eat the birds. Hold on.
I'm hungry.
Let me go get John. He needs these.
It chirped.
These birds want a challenge.
Hey, John. Oh, why'd you have a bat?
Better not beat up those birds, man.
Oh, don't do that. Where's the mama? Where'd she run up to? Well, wait, I want food though. I'm hungry,
You cannot
guys.
eat the birds, though.
Guys, I'm hungry.
Whatever, we'll go get food later.
We have pizza inside.
Oh yeah, let's go. Stop looking at me. Stop!
Look at Eren's beautiful eyes, guys. Any girl with 12 of those. And then there's John with, hey guys, I styled his hair today. Come hither. I styled his hair.
Whoa. My hair's better. I got my back.
Okay, Mama Bird, I'm just gonna casually eat your birds, your babies.
You're scaring the birds. You're scaring the birds.
I love how this is like a fake tree, and there just happens to be two baby birds in there.
It's a big palm tree.
Yeah, look at that.
Not
And
that
there's
we
an
know what
angel.
those are.
And there's an angel in the background. And there's a stool because we're too tiny.
And there's a shop vac right there that's broken.
Hey, what back?
A vacuum shop vac.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Mine. Oh. What just happened?
I don't know, but I'm pretty fascinated with these baby birds, man.
Oh well, just don't eat them, okay?
Why not? We're trying to survive. We're trying to save
They are
humanity.
living, breathing animals.
We're trying to save humanity,
Oh my
and we're
God,
not.
John, no.
And you're refusing to eat baby birds.
Maybe we should play aside, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I just can't show my face because I don't look decent.
Play outside, you guys.
Yeah, I don't have potatoes, so it doesn't work out.
Play some games.
Oh my god, let's play some games.
Okay.
You want me to turn this off?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Say bye, Eren.
See you later.
Wait, hold on.
How many are there?
Oh, the mom's green. Robin, obviously.
Ew, I see something.
Is it one? It's one.
Don't worry, I'm filming, so you can look at it later. Well, no, move. Like,
Hey guys, that's the ball right there.
Oh, well, maybe this is when I got out of here. Her. I don't know what to do with it. I got it on video.
Oh, it's on video right now?
Oh, okay. So, what's this video going to be about?
Bite birds.
Why is Eren finding these birds? Sasha's looking at them. Why, Sasha, I'm looking at these birds. She gonna eat them.
Oh, it has its mouth open!
Shut up.
Look, it's just one. No. Yeah, it's only one. And it's looking at me. With its mouth open, like I'm gonna feed it.
Alright. So I'm just gonna walk up like that.
Yeah, okay. Look how cute! What? No, there's two! One came emerged underneath.
Okay.
Ready?